Hello, and welcome to our flip video introduction. So what is a flip video and why is it important? We're going to be using flip videos from Unit 2 on out through the end of the year. So this is just to give you a little quick tutorial on what they are going to be about and how you can use them to help you for this course. So what is a flip classroom? A flipped classroom is the base learning takes place from a 10-minute-ish video, then application and learning support take place during class time. So basically the idea of a flipped video is to give you kind of a little bit of an idea, maybe if we're going to talk about ELA concepts, maybe a little bit of foreshadowing into what we're going to cover for class. And then when you come to class, you're going to come prepared and ready to discuss. So you'll be doing your book readings, which will help you with some kind of basic content information. And then the flip videos are going to be based off of our student guide. And so you're going to have some information filled in the student guide. So when you come to class, you'll have some things to discuss and to talk about kind of in a more organized fashion. So basically at home, I create a video and then I share it with you. And then you watch the video and then you either prepare questions or you write down information in your student guide. And that way you're ready to go with our discussion for class. And then when you come to school, I know this is a picture of a school building, but you're still at school. But when you're in Class Connects, I'm going to be asking questions. We're going to be talking about the content as we would during any regular Class Connect. But you'll be more readily available to be able to ask questions. You'll be able to participate a little more because you'll have some ideas of what the lesson is and what the lesson is going to be going over. So, the video that I create, your teacher, it has important concepts on the lesson that we'll be covering for the day. So again, it's going to be going over, for the most part, everything that's going to be in your student guide, and then you'll be able to answer those questions, okay? So everyone comes to class prepared to do group activities, to do our Class Connect, to participate, and you'll have a basic understanding of the lesson. So just kind of a repeat of what I just talked about. So will there be time during the school day to watch the flip video? You are encouraged to watch, oops, sorry about that. You are encouraged to watch the video for the next day's lesson. So for example, if we finish, let's say 2.01 today, the idea is that you're going to, after class, when you finish kind of collecting all your thoughts for what today's lesson was about, you're going to watch 2.02 so you're prepared and ready to go for tomorrow. Will you watch it the day of 2.01 or will you watch it the day of 2.02? I guess that's up to you. You'll kind of get into rhythm, whichever you feel is best. But it is recommended, obviously, that you watch it before class so you have an idea of what we're going into during class that day. So you can do it during the class day. You can do it as homework the night before. You can do it as homework the day of the lesson, just in the morning sometime before our class starts, okay? And then here, so your student guide is important. Again, you're going to be using your student guide to fill in questions as we're going along with these flip videos. The flip videos go directly with the student guide. So make sure that you do have that with you when you are watching these videos. Make sure you have a pencil or a pen. You can have some kind of fun colored pens if you'd like. Do a different color for each day. However you want to do it. This student guide is yours to keep. You don't turn this back in at the end of the year. So, you can write notes on the sidebars. You can, again, do something colorful with pens. You can just do it with pencil if you want. That's up to you. The hardback book you do have to return, but the student guide is yours to keep. So, make it fun, make it, applicable to how you like to learn. So hopefully you've got this. Hopefully this gives you a good understanding of what a flip video looks like, and I will see you in class. Thanks so much for joining me.